Hey there everybody, this is Chad Henry for you here at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now I've got this gorgeous 2015 one owner Honda Odyssey EX-L. Very nice one owner vehicle. No major accidents. It shows one minor and they're only noting the front bumper or the bumper in general, and the only thing that I've been able to tell any evidence of is right here is an old rock chip that you can see was painted over whenever they fixed whatever they fixed. Now it must have been just a scuff somewhere on it. I'm not sure, because this body line is great. It looks to be like the original headlights. You can see a little bit of aging right here and then as well on this side, but that is between that and, there's a couple of them over here. That's the only evidence that I have of it. So moving forward, that was in 2021. We're in 2026 now. So the original owner decided they were going to keep that vehicle because it was so minimal. Anyway, again, let's move on. Great set of matching Continental tires on it all the way around. All the wheels are in good shape. No major road rash or damage. Of course, power remote sliding doors on both sides. You do have one ding in it right here on the passenger side. A couple of little small scuffs. Nothing major. Again, a 2015. As you can see, it does have a trailer hitch on it. It's kind of amazing to be 11 years old and have all four wheels in good shape. Let's see if we can use these remotes. Let's see, maybe it won't do it while it's running. Yeah, that's what it was. So the doors won't remote open when the vehicle is running. And of course, it's remote for both sides there. Interior is in excellent shape. This driver's seat has very minimal wear on that bottom edge there. Power sunroof. Of course, Bluetooth, steering wheel stereo controls, cruise control. 174 on the clock. We just changed the oil in it, so I've got to reset that light. But if you saw that, it was at 40% when we changed it, so now obviously 100. Owner's manual is in there. It also comes with both sets of keys. USB, power sources, auxiliary cable, and it's got the cool box. So this cools. So here's a copy of the Carfax. We use AutoCheck, but this is the Carfax that came with it. One owner. And again, we've got the auto check on our website at holidaymotors.com. And of course, power rear liftgate. Is that not going to work with? There we go. I figured that should work even with it running. Now we've got the seats folded down. As you can see, there's quite a bit of cargo space in that middle row. It folds down. Nice and easy, they go back into place. And then of course that deep well storage underneath of there. So really clean van. And we have it for you right here at Holiday Motors. We're at 3203 Victory Boulevard in Portsmouth, Virginia. Been right here since 1974. Online at holidaymotors.com. We can also help arrange for shipping and delivery. And then we've got some financing options available if needed as well. Of course, always top dollar for your trade. And we appreciate you watching our video. Look forward to hearing from you.